In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Telegram chat to ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll have a clickable Telegram button on your page that lets visitors message you instantly without leaving your funnel. First, you'll create the Telegram chat widget using a widget service, such as Common Ninja's Telegram chat widget. These services generate a small piece of code you can drop into ClickFunnels, so you don't have to build anything from scratch. Before you begin, have your Telegram username or link ready. If you're unsure, it's usually the t.me/your username format. This ensures your button connects to the right chat. Inside the widget builder, customize how the button will look and behave. Choose the Telegram username or link you want visitors to reach, then pick your button style, icon, and colors. Match your brand colors and make sure the button contrasts well with your page so it's easy to spot. If the widget offers positioning options, a bottom right placement is common and unobtrusive. Keep the text short and friendly. Something like "Chat on Telegram" works well. Preview as you go so you can see how it will appear on desktop and mobile. When you're happy with the design, click Save Changes. Then select Add to Website. You'll see an embed code. This is a small snippet of HTML and JavaScript that powers the widget. Copy the entire code exactly as provided. Don't alter or truncate it, and keep it handy for the next step. Now, open your ClickFunnels account and go to the specific funnel step where you want the Telegram button to show up. Click Edit Page to open the page editor. Decide where the widget should appear, above the fold for immediate visibility or near your primary call to action if you want to prompt engagement after visitors read your offer. Click the Add New Element button at that spot and choose the HTML/code or custom HTML/JS element. This is where you'll paste the snippet you copied. Open the code editor, paste the Telegram widget code, and save. Finally, save your page and preview it. You should now see the Telegram chat button in the location you chose. Click it to test. On desktop, it should open Telegram Web or the app if installed. On mobile, it should launch the Telegram app. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page, clear your cache, or make sure any ad blockers are disabled while testing. That's it. You've successfully added a Telegram chat to your ClickFunnels page, making it easier for visitors to reach you in real time.